This is Jonathan for Drain Doctor. We are at number 28 Winton Street in Paraparaumu, job number J14692A. I'm down the sewer drain at the moment. I've gone down through the terminal vent, as that was the only access upstream of the blockage. And so, what I've found is a whole bunch of sludge in the drain. I've cleared the blockage. I was able to increase the pressure in the drain just with a garden hose, and that was enough just to push through all the solids. It's only a solid blockage, but pushing down to this length, I've found a ton of sludge sitting in the drain, as you can see. So we've got that horrible grey, it could be sand. I mean, we are in Paraparaumu, but have a look at that. So it looks like there's about 3 or 4 feet of this sludge, so about a metre and a half of this stuff, maybe more. I've gone down the bathroom gully, which is the next downstream fixture outside, and I've pushed all the way down out into the road, and that's all fine from there. It's this section of drain here that needs addressing. I'm going to pull back from here and just give you a shot of the drain from the sludgy bit, which is about 2 metres away from the downstream gully trap, the next downstream fixture. I'm going to pull back from here and show you this top section of drain. All that sandy sludge. See that? So whenever toilet paper hits that, it's just going to catch, snag and hold. The rest of it seems to be okay. Maybe a minor dislodgement there, but you never know with earthenware it's that much. Potentially some damage down on the bottom of the pipe. I can't see any cracking though. Just some discoloration. The other thing is we have 2 88-degree inspection bends there, which makes it really hard to see that bottom joint. So we've got one there, which was at 8 metres. We're at 6 metres now. Four metres. 3 metres. So that joint there that looks like it's snagging, but it's not massively dislodged. And then we've got all the sewage gathering on the left hand side of the pipe there. So this is where the blockage was initially, and I was able to just to wash it through. Looking at the bottom of that joint there, maybe there's some damage there. It's quite hard to tell just with all the stuff on it. I am unable to get the flusher through here to actually clean it out. I could get the ridge machine through and run water, but that's just going to put all that sludge down into the rest of the drain. Well, my recommendation is that where I've put a spray mark, we could dig it up there, cut into the pipe, put a square junction access point there so that this drain is accessible from something other than this terminal vent here, and just regularly maintain it. We'd have to flush it out anyway in order to line it to get rid of all that sludge. Slightly open joint there. I mean, this joint here is not the best. Look how open that is. There's probably 30 mil, if not more, of that socket. So there's our toilet branch there. We do have some stones up here, so I'm not actually sure what's going on there. So the vent is actually a Y junction on its back, which goes through 288. I'll give you a shot of where we are. So there's our terminal vent there. The drain, I believe, comes out this way, goes that way, and then turns again just in front of my truck there, and then heads down the driveway. I put a spray mark in the rear tyre of my truck, 0.42 metres deep, and that's right on the silt. So that could potentially be a way to get access to it. I'll stop recording here and get the footage up to the yard for quoting.